Hi, and welcome back to Crimble's MSP and Knockoff MSP, one of the two names. Today I'm doing a pixel glitch on another account so I don't get banned on Knockoff or Crimble's. So I spun the wheel, I sent all the gifts to this account, and let's see what it does. I've also muted it because it's annoying. So we'll spin it one more time for good luck. And then I'm going to be showing you how to level up. Fast. Because I bet you we can reach level 13 in a day. Nah, you don't believe me, do you? I wouldn't either. So we're going on double fame. Damn it, I need to be level 3. Let's open these. Level 1. Level 2. And hopefully level 3, please. Okay, I need 29 fame. Don't worry. Okay, level 3, yay! Select one more. It's getting cold now, so I need a start. Okay, now for the glitch. First, I'm gonna empty my piggy bank because I've really got nothing on it. And we're just letting that. We'll do it for an hour, even though it's 15 minutes long. What do? I know what I do. So this is how you glitch. You can use any really expensive items, but pixels work the best. This is part 1. I don't know how many parts there's gonna be. Actually, this is gonna be episode 1. But anyway, I've sent 25 items. And you can either spam at the OK button and then press this button, the VIP one, or you can open and level 13. What did I say? The shoes are pretty. The top's pretty as well. Oh, I think that's a rare. I love this. And how you get to level 13 in one day. Actually, I don't think we need a part 2. But look how much, and this is the other part of the glitch. Now it should have leveled me up, but let's give this go a makeover. Actually, let's leave it. We can do more experiments. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and put the notification bell on. Bye. Don't know why I'm waving, but okay, because you can't see me wave. Bye.